Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how to crochet this bobble stitch and shell stitch flower. I am using a 5mm crochet hook and 3-ply yarn, but you can use any type of crochet hook or yarn. To start, wrap the yarn around the fingers like this, and now with the help of crochet hook make a magic ring. And now start working. So make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn around the crochet hook, go into the magic ring and draw a loop. We have 3 loops on our hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. This is double crochet stitch. Now make double crochet 3 into the magic ring, then make double crochet 4, then double crochet 5. So in this way make total of 24 double crochet stitches into this magic ring. I have made 24 double crochet stitches including the 3 chain. Now pull the starting yarn and close the ring. Now to complete this round, make a slip stitch into the 3rd chain. First round is completed. For the second one, change the color, and now I would use yellow color yarn. So now take this yellow yarn and make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet stitch. So now into this chain 3 where we have made a slip stitch, make double crochet 3 times. Take these 2 yarn ends inside this work so that we don't have to weave these yarn ends separately. So this is double crochet 1 into chain 3, then make double crochet 2, and the last one is double crochet 3 into this chain 3, and including the 3 chain, now we have 4 double crochets. Remove the crochet hook and go into the 3rd chain, and now pull the yarn through this chain 3. So this is our bobble stitch. Make 2 chains, and after that skip 1 double crochet stitch which is right here, and into the second one again make a bobble stitch. For this purpose make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and the last one is double crochet 4. Now pull the yarn and remove the hook, go into the first double crochet stitch and pull this yarn through this double crochet stitch and make a bobble. Again make 2 chains and skip 1 double crochet stitch, and into the next double crochet stitch make double crochet 1, then double crochet 2, double crochet 3, and then double crochet 4, go into the first double crochet stitch and make a bubble. Again make 2 chains, skip 1 double crochet stitch and into the next one make 4 double crochet stitches. So make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, double crochet 3 and last one is double crochet 4. After that pull the yarn a little bit, go into the first double crochet stitch and make a bubble. Now cut the starting yarn ends and remove them. Now by making 4 double crochets in one stitch and make a bubble of them and skip other. So in this way complete the bubbles. So I have made all the bubbles stitches. I have total of 12 bubbles. Now make 2 chains and make a slip stitch into the third chain of first bubble. Now we have to work into this chain 2. So make a slip stitch into this bubble stitch also, and after that make a slip stitch into the next chain 2, and now we would change the color again. Now take this yarn and make a slip stitch into this chain 2 space, and now make chain 1 and make a single crochet into this chain 2 space. After that we have to work into the next chain 2 space right here. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and then last one is double crochet 5. Now make chain 1 and then again make 5 double crochet stitches into the same chain 2 space. So double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and the last one is double crochet 5. Now make a single crochet into the next chain 2 space and again make a shell into the next chain 2 space. So make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, then double crochet 5, chain 1, and again 5 double crochets, double crochet 1, double crochet 2, double crochet 3, double crochet 4, and double crochet 5 into this chain 2 space. After that into the next chain 2 space again make a single crochet stitch and into the next one make shell. So repeat the process of making shell and single crochet stitch in every chain 2 space till the end. So I have made all shells. Now into the first single crochet stitch, which is the starting stitch of this round, make a slip stitch and pull the yarn. Cut it with the cutter and remove the extra yarn strand, and now weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle. I have woven all the yarn ends. So this is the flower. If you like the video, give it huge thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel for daily updates and press the bell icon to get notifications. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.